What's the meaning of comment? Comment. Comment.
Comment. Comment. Comment refers to a statement or opinion expressed about something, often in response to an article, post, or event. Comments can be made in various forms, including written, verbal, or digital. They may serve different purposes, such as providing feedback, adding information, expressing agreement or disagreement, or initiating discussions. Comments can be found in many contexts, such as social media platforms, blogs, news articles, academic papers, and legal documents. Overall, comments reflect individuals' perspectives and contribute to the diversity of opinions and ideas in society.